If you want to install Samsung Messages and set it as the default messaging app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first make sure you're logged into your Samsung account on the phone, and then let's open the Galaxy Store. If you're opening it for the first time, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup. Once you're inside, search for Samsung Messages, and then just go ahead and install it to your device. And after the app is downloaded, simply open it and go through the initial prompts. Now, when you see the option to set it as a default messaging app, tap on OK, and from this pop-up, just select Samsung Messages and then tap Set as Default. You can also change this letter from Settings. From there to Apps, tap on Choose Default Apps, go to the Messaging App section, and select Samsung Message from here. From now on, Samsung Messages will be your default app for sending and receiving text messages. Thanks and take care.